Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about IAM role. The purpose of learning this IAM role is to give permission to the instance to upload some files or objects to the S3 bucket because some enterprises need to upload from instance EBS volume to the S3 bucket. Actually, in the last session, we have seen about how to create a users and how to create a user group and policies. Here, the role. This is like a temporary permission. This is not about creating users. This is about giving permission to the instances, that is temporary permission to the instances to upload from it is connected with EBS value. So we are giving permission to the instance to access and upload files to the S3 bucket. And we have to know one thing, S3 bucket is not connected to the VPC. It is a separate service, but the instance is inside the VPC. And while uploading objects to the S3, we need an internet connection, and we have to give a IAM permission to the instance, that we are going to see how to give permission to the instance. So for the first step, we have to create instance, Linux instance. I click Amazon Linux and I'm selecting T2 Micro, free tier eligible, and I'm selecting existing key pair, and I'm going to launch this instance in a custom VPC of public subnet. I'm selecting existing security group and I click launch instance. In the last session, we connected with AWS CLI, and we are creating some access key and secret key, uh, but the instance uh, having AWS CLI already pre-installed one. So I'm going to create a sample text to upload to the S3 bucket. And before that, we have to check we have a S3 bucket. So I'm going to open the S3 service, and in the general purpose buckets, we don't have any buckets. So I'm going to create a bucket. So I create a cover bucket and I create bucket, click create bucket. My bucket is created. Now I create Now I try to upload this sample text to the S3 bucket. It will not work because we don't uh, give gave any access key or any permission to instance to upload this text file. So the first way, AWS configure. Using this, we can able to give access key and ID. So it will upload the file to a S3 bucket. But here I don't do because we are going to create a IAM role. It is like a temporary permission to give a permission to the instance to upload to the S3 bucket because this because large enterprises will upload any files from the instance to S3 bucket. So now we are going to see about how to create a S3 bucket, how to create a roles. Here we are going to search for, sorry, we are going to create a role because we are creating new role. Use EC2 and I click next. And here we want to search for the permission. We are giving EC2 instance to the to access S3 bucket. So I'm giving S3 full access. So I click next. Now the role name is EC2 accessing S3 and I click create role. And then we have to map this role to the instance. I click and go to actions and go to security, and here we have to modify IAM role, and I'm giving this EC2 accessing S3 and I click and update IAM role. Now I give permission to the permission to instance to upload. Now I'm going to give this command. Now it will upload. Now we can see it upload sample text to the S3 bucket. If I go to this bucket, I can see the sample text. I click and open. We can see the text hello. When we are creating, we just give the hello text. So here hello. So now we can able to upload this. Now we can able to understand that why this IAM role is important to the enterprises. If the instance having any content or any files or objects in the EBS storage, so the instance can able to upload the files to S3. And we have to know that VPC is dependent, instance is dependent with VPC, but bucket is a separate service. We cannot access S3 bucket using the VPC. So we gave permission to the instance and we upload it to the bucket. Thank you.